So moving on to the another classical sociologist, Herbert Spencer. Herbert Spencer was an English philosopher, a biologist, sociologist, prominent classical liberal political theorist. Spencer was contemporary of Auguste Comte. कंटेम्प्रेरी ऑफ अगस्ट कॉम्ट इन द सेंस कि वो भी उसी टाइम पे काम कर रहा था जब अगस्ट कॉम्ट सोशियोलॉजी को इस्टेब्लिश करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. दैट इज टू establish sociology as a specific scientific discipline. So Herbert Spencer की जो contributions हैं, they are also very relevant in the field of sociology and in establishing sociology as a specific discipline. So, like Comte, he also tried to establish sociology as a scientific discipline. That is why इनकी जो contributions हैं Spencer की, that is of relevance in order to understand the meaning, origin of sociology. So Spencer's sociology is basically based on the evolutionary doctrine and organic analogy. Now, as we all know that he was known for his evolutionary theory. और हर्बर्ट स्पेंसर को बहुत टाइम he is known as the father of classical evolutionist. And he was the one who coined the term survival of the fittest. So he was known for his contribution to evolutionary theory and for applying this evolutionary theory which was understood जो कि biological aspect में पढ़ी जा रही थी at that particular point of time. हर्बर्ट स्पेंसर ने evolutionary theory को biology से बाहर लेकर उसको अप्लाई किया in the fields of philosophy, psychology and within sociology. He is regarded as one of the most important philosophers of the 19th century and has profound influence in the development of modern sociology. और अगर हर्बर्ट स्पेंसर के बहुत से इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क्स हैं, बुक्स हैं जो उसने लिखी हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हिज मोस्ट famous major work is, the name of the book is Social Statics, published in 1815. Then he published The Study of Sociology in 1873. Then The Principles of Sociology in 1880 and Principles of Biology in 1880. He also published Principles of Ethics in 1891 and Synthetic Philosophy in 1896. Herbert Spencer, he was very deeply influenced by Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was a biologist, was a natural scientist. Now, he was influenced by the work done by Charles Darwin, more specifically the origin of species. Charles Darwin ने का जो काम है जिसके लिए वो फेमस है, that is the origin of species, published in 1859. Now, Charles Darwin in Origin of Species gave the principles of evolution. पर हर्बर्ट स्पेंसर ने उन्हीं प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ एवोल्यूशन को सोशल वर्ल्ड में अप्लाई किया and that is why it is known as social evolution. So चार्ल्स डार्विन का जो एवोल्यूशनरी थ्योरी है उसे बोलते हैं बायोलॉजिकल एवोल्यूशन. हर्बर्ट स्पेंसर की एवोल्यूशनरी थ्योरी को बोलते हैं सोशल एवोल्यूशन. He saw social evolution as set of stages through which all the societies moved from simple to complex, from homogeneous to heterogeneous. तो evolution क्या है? Evolution is set of changes. So set of stages जिन stages से societies move करती हैं from simple society to more complex society, from homogeneous society to heterogeneous society.